Alright, in this video we're going to replace the headlight bulb on the Mercury Grand Marquis, but this is a 2003. Now my headlight wire mark going to the bulb itself, marked from the factory, says 1 of 2004. So this could be for 2004 models as well. Anyway, it seems that the bulbs that go to these light headlights are all 9007. But the difference I've seen throughout the years is some bulbs are exposed on the backside and some are fixed inside the lens, meaning these are all projection headlights, but behind the bulb or behind the lens here on the plastic there is like a retainer nut to keep the bulb and the plug inside the entire light bulb housing. So making it to where you have to pull the entire beam out like an old school vehicle, like an old school sealed vehicle. So that's what we're going to have to do today. We're going to have to pull the entire headlamp out, which is not too difficult. I'll show you right now. Look, we have these retainer nuts. You unscrew them counterclockwise, they come to the top, and then you just pull them up and out. And you got 3 of them, 1 here, 2, and 3. I've removed them. And then you pop up the plastic cover like this, get it out of the way of the hood latch, pick it up, put it to the side, and we're going to take a look here inside. Now, see, this is what I was talking about. You got this big plastic housing here, and you put your hand on the back of it and you can't feel any bulb. So there's no plug back there, no bulb, no plug, and it's inside this plastic housing. That's where your 9007 bulb is housed. And then of course you can unplug your entire beam right here, and this wire goes into this entire fixture itself. So we're going to have to unplug it here and then take it out. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Seems like mine's been on there for a long time. Let's see here. Alright. Oh, okay, listen. Look, see here? You got a little clip back here. That little clip, you can disconnect. You can pull that apart and make it easier for yourself to pull this out, or you can just try to remove it with leaving it in. You might need something to press it down like this. Stubborn. Alright, there we go, look. It's all your pins. It's a lot of pins. Anyway, it's like 5 pins. That's probably daytime running lights, all that combined, right? So we disconnected this, put that to the side. Now remember, look, come see over here closer. We got these retaining bolts right here. I got a Phillips flathead hex nut. So 1, 2, 3 to loosen this headlight. But I think we need to remove this side lamp to gain access to here. I think. Not sure. We're going to try it this way first without removing this. Okay? Stop that for a minute. We'll come back. Alright, so we're going to use a cheat here. We're going to get through it quick. I'd say use a ratchet. And this is a 8mm and or 5/16 socket. And we'll put it to the side here. Okay, that's all 3 of them. I got to get down in here and get it. Right. I don't think anybody's ever replaced this headlight ever. That's why this plug was on very tight. It's frozen on. Now, I'm going to try to push it out. Look, come over here. Look. See this? That's a clip. You got to push that clip down to get it disconnected, right? Dang, tight. But it will come off. And you gotta feed the wire. That's it. Look at that. In there, deep. How you like that? Yeah, I don't know how Ford expects you to use a blade like man. get up there and pull this clip back, and it's all brittle too. Look at that. So brittle. Sorry, it won't be the first time. Alright. So that's that. And then you have the fun of spinning inside there to get the plastic ring counterclockwise. Take that loose. And then I guess you could pull the bulb at the same time, and then there you go. The bulb's got some use on it. You can see the spring's jagged, and that's how you can tell it's got some use on it. Both on the high beam as well. On the low and high beam side, that's a dual element bulb. So here's what we're going to put in it. Some old stock LEDs, Auxito brand, right? This is some new old stock, never opened. We're going to put these in there and see what we get out of them. So I guess this is going to be kind of a review on what these bulbs look like, as well as how to replace them on your 03, 04, whatever. So we'll try it and we'll see how that works out. Anyway, this is a 9007 bulb, like I said. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to use these. It's good. Alright, so just basically the same way you took it out. I'm going to keep the ring off then first. Okay, locking ring is in. There we go. Alright. What's left is testing this thing. So let's test it, see if we can test it. Put it back through like this. Let's see what we got. How are we looking? Hey, that's not bad through a projection bulb, through a projection fixture. Projection fixture means that there's a little plate sending the light back at the bulb and then forward. In other words, it reflects off the back of the bulb and then comes forward. The other vehicles that I have, headlights, I have these LEDs in, actually come just straight off the headlight, which are very, very bright. But these are pretty bright too, compared to the halogen. So, yeah, all in all, I'd say that's a pretty good success. Let me check the high beam. Oh, that's pretty bright, and that's without the engine running, so that's no alternator power. That's just 12 volts. No, not 14 volts from the alternator, so they get a little bit brighter when you start the vehicle. And all we have to do, look, is put the retaining bolts back in, which are the 1, 2, 3 bolts I took out, and this side is complete. There's really nothing else to do. Alright, so this one is 522 of 03, right? This is the passenger side headlamp. I just wanted to show you how different these things are. So you saw the driver's side already replacement, which is just right in the back. And here's the passenger side. So it could be that somebody replaced one of them, the whole, you know, but that's 6 months of difference, about 7 months between the two. That was 04, that light headlamp. This one's 03. This one has a turnstile lock on the back, like a cap. So you turn it, and I guess you're supposed to unlock it when you turn it. See? Which is pretty difficult. Look. And there's a lock ring on it. So I don't know if that one's missing a lock ring or what. But this one doesn't have, that one doesn't have teeth on it like this to hold as a lock ring. So I don't know if this is just the passenger side for the battery or what, because the battery's there to keep corrosion off of it, but this is crazy. Yeah, this one's definitely a lot nicer shape. Yeah, see, that unplugged pretty easy. And then take this out, but I don't know, guys, that's pretty crazy. I have two of them like that. Maybe I just got a mixed matched vehicle. Alright, put that to the side, and we'll change this. But anyway, I just wanted to show you all that, and I'm going to put this back together. Yeah, it's a little bonus of how different your car can be, how different the cases, the headlight cases vary, you know. Alright, thanks for watching.